The aroma of fried chicken and the fluffy basmati rice and every grain coated with rich masala. If you are a biryani lover, this chicken fry piece biryani is going to steal your heart. Stay till the end because I am sharing all the little secrets to make restaurant style biryani at home. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Plate Story. Today we are making a delicious, flavorful, packed chicken fry piece biryani with juicy chicken pieces and perfectly cooked aromatic rice. The best part is that every bite is loaded with spices and irresistible flavors. Let's get started. First, marinating the chicken. Here I am taking 1 kg of fresh chicken pieces including leg pieces in a mixing bowl. Add 2 spoons salt, half spoon turmeric powder, juice of half a lemon, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Mix everything really well. This simple marinade helps the chicken absorb all the flavors and also keep it soft and juicy. And now add 1 spoon red chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon cumin powder and 1 spoon garam masala powder. And then add some crushed kasuri methi because it gives absolutely flavor to the chicken. And add 1 spoon oil, a few curry leaves. Mix everything thoroughly until every piece is beautifully coated with the spices. At this stage, the chicken already smells absolutely amazing. Now keep the chicken in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Resting time is very important because it allows all the flavors to penetrate deep into the chicken. And meanwhile, we'll soak the rice. Here I am taking 2 glasses of basmati rice. Basmati rice gives the biryani a wonderful texture, long grains and an incredible aroma. Wash it properly and soak it for some time. Now let's prepare our special masala powder, which is one of the secrets behind this delicious biryani. In a mixer jar, add 2 cardamoms and 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves and 1 bagara flower and 1 star anasa and bay leaf, a little kasuri methi and around 10 black peppercorns and 6 cashew nuts. Grind everything into a fine powder and keep it aside. And in the same jar, add 2 small tomatoes and make a smooth puree. Keep it ready. Next, cooking the chicken. Take a pan and add 4 spoons of oil. Once hot, add a big chopped onion and 5 chopped green chilies and 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Saute everything well until the onions become soft and aromatic. Now add half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon red chili powder and 1 cup curd. Mix it nicely. The curd makes the masala rich and gives the chicken a beautifully flavor and texture. Next, add the tomato puree and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now add the marinated chicken and mix it well. Every piece should be nicely coated with the masala. And now close the lid and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now open the lid and see how beautifully the chicken has released its moisture and cooked in its own juices. And at this stage, don't close the lid. We want the gravy to become thick, not too gravy and not too dry. And now add the prepared special masala powder and coriander leaves, curry leaves and mint leaves. Mix everything well and cook for another 5 minutes. Now look at this, the chicken fry pieces are perfectly cooked with a rich, thick masala coating. Keep it aside. And now preparing the biryani rice. Take a large pan and add a little oil and 1 spoon ghee. Once hot, add all the whole spices and let them splutter. Then add 4 chopped green chilies and the aroma at this stage is simply heavenly. And now add mint leaves, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix it well. And now add the soaked basmati rice and gently mix it. Coating the rice with these flavors gives every grain a wonderful taste. Now add 3 glasses of water since we used 2 glasses of rice. And now add sufficient salt and cook until the rice is around 60% cooked. At this stage, the rice should still have a slight bite because it will finish cooking during the dum process. And now it's finally dum process. Now spread the prepared fried chicken pieces evenly over the rice. Close the lid tightly and place a weight on top. Cook on low flame for about 8 minutes. And now open the lid. Wow, look at that perfectly cooked rice, juicy chicken pieces and an irresistible biryani aroma filling the entire kitchen. Now turn off the stove, but remember, don't disturb the biryani immediately. Close the lid again and let it rest for 5 minutes. This resting time is extremely important because it allows all the flavors and masalas to beautifully coat every grain of rice. And now open the lid. That's it. Our delicious chicken fry piece biryani is ready to serve. Look at this long, fluffy rice grains and beautifully spiced chicken pieces. And every spoonful is loaded with flavor, aroma, and pure comfort. Serve it hot with onion salad or simply enjoy it as it is. Trust me, one plate will never be enough. And cooking is not just about ingredients. It's about creating memories and sharing love through food. If you loved this recipe, please like the video, share with others and subscribe to my channel, The Plate Story. Thank you all.